Good morning, everybody. It is time to make a change. My A6300 has been sitting on the shelf and I'm not using it at all. Despite I have plenty of wonderful lenses, 18 to 105, super versatile, and this 10 to 18, super ultra wide, and the Sigma 16, beautiful lenses. But I'm not using that system. I'm just shooting on my A7RII exclusively because full frame, and I have Tamron, so kind of just. And the only thing I'm lacking is the full frame wide angle lens, but I can still use this lens on my A7RII. So the plan is to sell my A6300, so I just completely quit APS-C system. Except this little A5100. I bet nobody's gonna buy this one because it's shitty, and I bought it for 200 euros and came with a broken control wheel, so I don't think anyone will buy this shit. So I can still use this as a vlogging camera because it has flippy screen. And what else? Yeah, I could potentially get the A6100, also has flippy screen. But yeah, never mind. I just don't bother to invest more money in APS-C. Just get a new full frame camera because I need more cameras to hold my lenses. I can't just change lenses all the time because I have a lot of lenses I want to use, but I don't want to change the lens every few seconds. So maybe I've been thinking to get an A7S2. This is super expensive, so I've been waiting for the A7S3 to come out so that A7S2 will drop in price, but it's not happening yet. And plus, I checked some online review and stuff, some comparison between A7S2 and A7 III. The A7 III actually does pretty well in low light compared to A7S2. It's pretty similar results, so why bother getting A7S2 that is so much behind in technology and has so much slower autofocus? So why not just get an A7 III that is probably the best camera in 2018. Yeah, let's do that. And I'm gonna get rid of my APS-C system and get that camera instead. And I can use my crop lenses. I think I'm gonna keep this 10 to 18 lens and the 16 Sigma 16. These two lenses are wonderful. The 18 to 105 is a little bit overlapping with other lenses I have, like my 24 to 40, my Tamron 28 to 75. They're overlapping, so I'm not using it because I have better choices. So when it comes to this focal range, oh my god, it's loud. Yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of that lens. I made a review. It is one of my best received review video on my channel. But now it's time to say goodbye to that lens. Yeah, hopefully someone will buy it. It's pretty new. It's like almost like brand new. I just never, I don't know, my gear pretty well preserved. They're not beaten up, not broken, not scratched or anything, and the quality is top quality, just like new ones. Hopefully you can get good price. So yeah, if everything works well, I can get a new camera in maybe 2 months, 3 months, who knows, whatever. We'll see. It's not a priority. It doesn't matter. It's just a hobby. You know how it goes. All right, let's switch it off. Going to the supermarket. Usually I'll ride a bike, but today I want to take a walk because I want to vlog a little bit. Okay, so since this month I got the new PC, desktop PC. It's been fantastic. Super fast, everything's fast. I can edit 4K super fast as well. I can handle a lot of 1080p streaming. It's awesome. So I think it's time to get rid of my old computer, old laptops. It's a waste. They're just piling up in my room. So I'm planning to give away to my friends.